Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do Gemini photo. First, navigate to the Gemini interface and locate the image generation tool. You'll then enter a descriptive text prompt detailing the image you wish to create. Be specific with elements like style, subject, and colors. Gemini will process your request and present initial image options. This initial step is crucial for setting the foundation of your visual project. To master Gemini photo, focus on your prompts. Think of them as instructions for an artist. For example, instead of dog, try a golden retriever playing in a sunlit field, impressionistic style. Specify lighting, perspective, and even the emotional tone. Don't be afraid to iterate. Small changes in your prompt can lead to vastly different and improved outcomes. Practice makes perfect in prompt engineering. Once Gemini generates images, carefully review them. If an image isn't quite right, don't start over. Instead, modify your original prompt. Perhaps you need a different background or a slight alteration to the subject's pose. You can also ask Gemini to generate variations of a specific image. This iterative process allows for fine-tuning, ensuring your final output closely matches your creative vision. For advanced Gemini photo techniques, try combining complex ideas in one prompt, like a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars and ancient ruins. Also, use negative prompts to tell Gemini what asterisk not asterisk to include, such as no people or without blur. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. These strategies will help you push the boundaries of your image generation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.